So I made a cinematic short film in just one day using only AI. And here's how I did it. I partner with Adobe, who hit me with a wild challenge: finish an unimaginable video using Akool and Adobe tools. I started in Akool Video Suite, where you can generate not just images but videos too. But I created a virtual character using Akool's image generator, producing different versions of myself across various scenes, all with a cinematic feel and in stunning 4K quality. Then, I used Akool's talking photo feature to input my text script, and with one click, I could generate voiceovers in multiple languages. For some of the B-roll shots, I turned images into video to create exactly the footage I needed. I also used ready-made templates from Akool, which made it super easy to create fun content without even needing prompts. Finally, I brought everything into Adobe's editing software, added some sound effects, transitions, and visual touches, and just like that, a fully AI-produced video was complete.